Today we are talk about the film of Deadpool 2.
Get down.
Deadpool 2 was released in the United States on May 18, 2018 by 20th Century Fox.
I'm about to do something terrible.
It has a 7.7 rating on IMDb.
What's that do?
Power dampening collar. Shuts down all mutant abilities.
The film was directed by David Leitch and script co-written by Rhett Reese, Paul Wernick, and Ryan Reynolds.
04 located.
Hello, Russell.
Deadpool 2 is an American superhero film based upon the Marvel Comics character Deadpool.
We need to build a fucking team.
No superpowers at all.
I have both type 1 and 2 diabetes.
You're in.
It has grossed over $785 million worldwide, becoming the ninth highest grossing film of 2011.